NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Today's program furnished by funding from Bill's Bake Shop, where smiles are everywhere. This program furnished by a grant from Ferrone Brothers, 2 locations, Newcastle on Mill Street and Wilmington Road in Newcastle. This program furnished by a grant from Keystone Specialty, Newcastle's party store on Mill Street in Newcastle.
Hello, welcome to NCTV45 NewsWatch. I'm Nadine Buckley, here to tell you about the Lawrence County Historical Society's open house with Santa on Saturday, December 1st from 1 to 3 p.m. Tour the beautifully decorated mansion, and children will get to have a free photo with Santa and treat bags, refreshments, and more. It is absolutely free and open to the public. You can find the Lawrence County Historical Society's house on 408 North Jefferson Street in Newcastle. Oh, and now here's a quick word from these great sponsors who keep community television on the air for you.